Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we voiced the sentences used in daily life. Listen carefully and repeat the sentences. You can turn on subtitles if you wish. Let's start.
Hope is not lost.
Hope is not lost.
You need me here.
You need me here.
It's just a theory.
It's just a theory.
Please say it again.
Please say it again.
I failed my exam.
I failed my exam.
The book is expensive.
The book is expensive.
They helped each other.
They helped each other.
That was very hurtful.
That was very hurtful.
Let's split the profits.
Let's split the profits.
The fruit went bad.
The fruit went bad.
Football is a sport.
Football is a sport.
I can pay up front.
I can pay up front.
Emily wrote the sentence.
Emily wrote the sentence.
They're free to go.
They're free to go.
Who took the money?
Who took the money?
A fork is missing.
A fork is missing.
I never got caught.
I never got caught.
Who's your best friend?
Who's your best friend?
They're both very smart.
They're both very smart.
Fill out the form.
Fill out the form.
Tom didn't sleep well.
Tom didn't sleep well.
It didn't actually happen.
It didn't actually happen.
I'm closing the door.
I'm closing the door.
He had to withdraw.
He had to withdraw.
Have you been saved?
Have you been saved?
She named him Charles.
She named him Charles.
Tom is so funny.
Tom is so funny.
Here the fall came.
Here the fall came.
Let's schedule a meeting.
Let's schedule a meeting.
I've seen the dog.
I've seen the dog.
That can be dangerous.
That can be dangerous.
I'm talking to her.
I'm talking to her.
The sky turned dark.
The sky turned dark.
I will get comments.
I will get comments.
Tom stared at Mary.
Tom stared at Mary.
We helped each other.
We helped each other.
Can you eat this?
Can you eat this?
Tom thinks anything's possible.
Tom thinks anything's possible.
May that bastard die.
May that bastard die.
Give me some credit.
Give me some credit.
I've been expecting her.
I've been expecting her.
He is a DJ.
He is a DJ.
My friend helped me.
My friend helped me.
You like coffee best.
You like coffee best.
I'll be very careful.
I'll be very careful.
This winter is warm.
This winter is warm.
Honesty is a virtue.
Honesty is a virtue.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment. You can write your suggestions and requests in the comments. Let's continue. Should I tell her?
Should I tell her?
She left for Paris.
She left for Paris.
I like being single.
I like being single.
He can't be ill.
He can't be ill.
I already knew this.
I already knew this.
The lights glare terribly.
The lights glare terribly.
Okay, Tom, that's enough.
Okay, Tom, that's enough.
His biceps are huge.
His biceps are huge.
The chicken was dry.
The chicken was dry.
Tom shot a deer.
Tom shot a deer.
He's shorter than Tom.
He's shorter than Tom.
He won her love.
He won her love.
Tom's hiding something, too.
Tom's hiding something, too.
Today is full moon.
Today is full moon.
The balloons are bright.
The balloons are bright.
I'm working right now.
I'm working right now.
I will do it.
I will do it.
Don't you know her?
Don't you know her?
I'll ride with her.
I'll ride with her.
What color is it?
What color is it?
The train was derailed.
The train was derailed.
Someone will do it.
Someone will do it.
I'm responsible for everything.
I'm responsible for everything.
His friends were jealous.
His friends were jealous.
That does happen occasionally.
That does happen occasionally.
You are home late.
You are home late.
I already miss Tom.
I already miss Tom.
Some snakes are venomous.
Some snakes are venomous.
Nancy has a piano.
Nancy has a piano.
Production is turning down.
Production is turning down.
School begins in spring.
School begins in spring.
He moved to Canada.
He moved to Canada.
Friends should be helped.
Friends should be helped.
We were all ears.
We were all ears.
Watch where you're going.
Watch where you're going.
He isn't so tall.
He isn't so tall.
Tom is an athlete.
Tom is an athlete.
Lunch will be available.
Lunch will be available.
I'm sure you've misunderstood.
I'm sure you've misunderstood.
What did they say?
What did they say?
We are the champions.
We are the champions.
Tom is too busy.
Tom is too busy.
I'd like to help.
I'd like to help.
She is kindness itself.
She is kindness itself.
We'll have some difficulties.
We'll have some difficulties.
Should we tell her?
Should we tell her?
I alone did it.
I alone did it.
She is a teacher.
She is a teacher.
Is your job permanent?
Is your job permanent?
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment. You can write your suggestions and requests in the comments. Let's continue. Exactly what happened here?
Exactly what happened here?
We know the score.
We know the score.
Put your hands up.
Put your hands up.
Please let me pay.
Please let me pay.
We're not officially dating.
We're not officially dating.
Don't touch the goods.
Don't touch the goods.
Their son grew bigger.
Their son grew bigger.
Get her over here.
Get her over here.
Buffaloes have big horns.
Buffaloes have big horns.
I can't remember it.
I can't remember it.
You need help, Tom.
You need help, Tom.
Don't touch that book.
Don't touch that book.
He plays very well.
He plays very well.
Shouldn't we call Tom?
Shouldn't we call Tom?
It'll work next time.
It'll work next time.
The buffalo were killed.
The buffalo were killed.
I must learn Japanese.
I must learn Japanese.
Quitting smoking is difficult.
Quitting smoking is difficult.
The question is this.
The question is this.
Tom seemed genuinely shocked.
Tom seemed genuinely shocked.
Outsiders make Tom nervous.
Outsiders make Tom nervous.
He is always punctual.
He is always punctual.
What is that thing?
What is that thing?
Are you my doctor?
Are you my doctor?
He is having dinner.
He is having dinner.
I feel so helpless.
I feel so helpless.
She was found guilty.
She was found guilty.
I was hardly prepared.
I was hardly prepared.
What's your darkest secret?
What's your darkest secret?
Do it for me.
Do it for me.
I noticed that earlier.
I noticed that earlier.
Look, a shooting star.
Look, a shooting star.
The meat is expensive.
The meat is expensive.
Tom folded his shirts.
Tom folded his shirts.
Mary's hubby is chubby.
Mary's hubby is chubby.
I remember this word.
I remember this word.
Tom didn't do it.
Tom didn't do it.
I attended his funeral.
I attended his funeral.
They're wearing expensive clothes.
They're wearing expensive clothes.
Where's the bottle opener?
Where's the bottle opener?
I am new here.
I am new here.
Tom broke the window.
Tom broke the window.
I'm open to suggestions.
I'm open to suggestions.
Are you sensing anything?
Are you sensing anything?
What's this really about?
What's this really about?
I suggest you cooperate.
I suggest you cooperate.
My father quit smoking.
My father quit smoking.
He withheld his consent.
He withheld his consent.
Whatever she says goes.
Whatever she says goes.
You're evil and disgusting.
You're evil and disgusting.
Tom is busy elsewhere.
Tom is busy elsewhere.
He puts on airs.
He puts on airs.